this is Steve from SuperPivots.com, and today I'd like to talk about confirming a pivot. Once you have a pivot, then what? Now this is a great example. This just happened. This is what, 4th of July weekend. This is the chart of FedEx. We just got a pivot. I have no idea what it's going to do, until I get some confirmation. And by that I mean, here's the confirmation bar, and I call it that for a reason. You need to have price action get above that confirmation bar to get the wind at your back, so that you are really a strong possibility that it's a valid pivot. And I'll show you in a minute a pivot that did not confirm. But this one, there's a high pivot, confirmation bar. Price is traded well below that confirmation bar. Once it does that, there's ways to enter this trade. And you can use your own entry method. If you like, MACD or a moving average crossover, or, this is not meant to replace what you're using now. This is just meant to give you more of an edge, act as an additional tool. SuperPivots works in harmony with any indicator. I'd have to go out on a limb and say any trading style. And, there are so many trading styles and out there. Just think of SuperPivots as your tool in your toolbox to give you this extra edge. So here's an example of a high pivot that did not confirm. So there's your confirmation bar. Prices did not trade down there below that confirmation bar. Actually, what happened was they just ended up, after this pivot was in, using this projection line. Kind of helps give you a visual, but after that pivot was in, prices just pretty much just went sideways after that. That's why you need to get confirmation. If prices aren't going to trade below that confirmation bar in this particular case, then don't take the trade. Don't take the trade just because there's a pivot. Here's an example of a low pivot that did not confirm. There's your confirmation bar. Prices just sort of chop sideways, and if you see that happening, it's almost a bearish signal that there's just not enough power in this particular stock to drive the prices higher. And indeed, it ended up rolling over. So watch for confirmation. Confirmation is key. That's number one. And along with whatever indicators you're currently using, whatever trading method you're currently using, I think SuperPivots will be a fine addition to your toolbox. That's what I have for now. Thanks for watching.